Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a jack-in-a-box. There's lots of ways into a jack-in-a-box. What you're looking to do is have both of the lady's hands in the guy's right hand, and often when you do that you put a finger between the lady's hands so you can control which hand you're going to do something with. For instance, if you want to release one, if you've got the finger in the middle, you can release one or you can release the other so you know which one you've got. But what we're looking for is being able to get into a sweep as we would a catapult, but holding both of the lady's hands. Okay? Now the version we're going to do it and we're going to come off an accordion, and that looks like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Hence jack-in-a-box. So let's put it together. Let's break it down. So we're going to start off right to right, ready for an accordion. We're going to go back. We're going to offer the left hand palm towards the lady, thumb down. Ladies, you shouldn't be able to reach it. Okay, as we come in, we collect the hand, we take the right hand up. As we're going around, guys, we're switching, keeping that first finger in the middle to having both of the lady's hands. And then from this position, we're going to send the lady back, but importantly, we're going to give the lady a little twist to drop her right shoulder back. And that's going to be easier, guys, if you take a little step to the left. Now she's ready for a return direction motion, and we're going to do that as a catapult. So bringing the lady forward, sweeping the hand down and across, we lift. Ladies are turning left as we change sides. We send the lady straight back. Guys are out the front, leaning just as you would in a catapult. And then what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to turn left. We're going to duck. We're going to fold our arm up into our small of our back. We're going to come round, and we've got to get to the point where our arm is up behind our back, the lady's hands are up over the shoulders, and we are face down in front of them. This is a tricky position for some people, depending upon mobility of your shoulders, length of your arms, and size and shape of both of your torsos. So when we let go, we're coming up through the middle, so the lady's hands go either side, ending up at the shoulders. Lots of ways out. You could do all kind of comb exits, but I'm just going to bring my hands up just in front of the lady's elbows so that as she pushes in, I get some contact and I can push to send the lady back and catch. If you want to shout boo as you come up, that's fine too. Okay? Now, the tricky bit, getting round and up through the middle, if you're not mobile enough in your shoulders, or maybe you have an issue with length of your arms, etc, 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 you can get all the way through, get to here, start to go through, and once you get the hands onto the back, guys, you could let go, which means you can make more space. It doesn't have as much impact, it's not as much fun, but it will work, and if you're finding something's uncomfortable, the last thing you want to do is hurt yourselves. The other thing that can happen for ladies of a certain dimension in the bosom is I've seen guys get stuck. So if the fella comes round and gets to here and gets stuck, ladies, push him back down again, because you don't want to leave him struggling for too long. Okay, so let's break it down with some numbers. We go right to right. In fact, we'll give the other view. Go right to right, semicircle back and offer, 1. Return, transfer in the hand, 2. Back and prep, 3. Sweep through, 4. Lean, 5. Through, 6. Up, 7. And out, 8. So let's do it together. Here we go. Right to right. 5, a 6, a jack, in a box. We go a back, return, back, sweep, lean, under, up and out. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a video comes out. There'll be a music recommendation on the end. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.